Got the hobo handline ready to go. Tone's been at home making his own. How'd you go? Fuck, yours is fancy, bro.
Yeah, so I just used an old shovel handle that I broke and just cut a length and then made a bit of a hole there. So that's for my...
Give us a look.
It's my custom... I don't know, I think it kind of looks like a lightsaber maybe.
Tone went all out on his. So
yeah.
You even got like custom holes.
Yeah, so I was thinking maybe even that kind of fits in there. It's pretty tight, doesn't fall out. Get a hook or two in there. And I don't know, I might put some shit around the handle.
Rope it up.
Yeah, I've just got some big boy rope.
40-pound mono to 50 pound.
I was just looking up stuff about hand lines and they were like, use a bit thicker line, so maybe it won't cut through my fingers, but just got to spool him up, get something happening there, and then we're away.
Go dig some worms. Yeah, let's get it on. Yeah. Get some worms and run away.
That 15 LB, bruh. It's hard to fucking keep the lettuce good in the summer, right? It's fucking relentless. The sun.
Relentless.
Relentless. Alright, so we're doing hobo reels today, and I couldn't find anything about hobo reels specifically on the interweb, but let's look at the word hobo. A hobo is a migrant worker or a homeless vagrant, especially one who is impoverished. The term originated in the western, probably northwestern United States in around 1890. Unlike a tramp who works only when forced to, and a bum who does not work at all, a hobo is a travelling worker.
That's interesting facts.
There you go.
So they're known as hobo handline or a hobo reel. Not much difference between the two, but I reckon could be on today, mate. I reckon let's get down there and have a look.
This is hobo fishing. Rocky.
We're back at the waterfall spot one. We're going to give it a go. See if we can get a little fishy or two. If we're not here, we're going to try another spot, but hopefully we can get something on these hobos. Well, mine's a big fatty, a bit rustic. Tone's is real sculpted.
Yeah, one hook, one sinker.
One hook, one sinker. Let's get it on. Yep. Well, we've just got to the waterfall. We can already see a few reddies bopping, marron, pack of minnows.
It's all happening out here.
Damn nature. Damn nature. Let's get in there. Daytime marron just here. Just kicking. That worm's way too big for me hook.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna start dangling.
Get out there, son. First cast on the hobo line. Oh, fish on. Oh, bro, look at the school behind you. Ew. First ready on the worms on the hobo line. Tone's getting bites. Ew.
Tony's first fish of the day on the hobo reel.
Running a Paternoster rig, Patagonian, Patronus.
Good times out here, kept me warm. Happy about that. Haven't really got the hang of this hobo on yet, but we're getting there.
Yeah. Oh, bites. Oh, we're on.
Get the dog.
Ew. That's good fishing. Still got me worm and everything. I didn't even get to re-worm. Tony's back on. A little bit bigger.
Fishing a barrel here, people. But if we're hobos, we're hungry. We've got to get that dinner.
We'd be surviving. Got him. try to reel this one in. Oh, dropped him. Took me worm. Get him back out.
Bro.
Oh, he dropped him. No, is he on?
No.
Like, good fun out here.
It's all happening out here. Probably already know a few adjustments I'd make to my hobo reel, but we're getting fish, so you never leave fish when you're on fish. Let's get a fish.
Oops, see them bites?
Fish on.
Straight away.
Heaps of fun out here on the hobo reels. Let's get another fish.
Dropping him in. Got him. Young Lee here, out of the waterfall, picking and lifting out reddies. Good day for it. Oh, dropped him. Oh, it's easy as that, Tone. Well done, mate.
Even with the dodgy rig, still getting it done.
And we're back on.
Few little fish out here today.
Twin fins.
Good bit of fun. Cheap as chips. Made our rods out of a bit of wood, a bit of string.
A couple bits of line. And a sinker and a hook.
Still happening.
You. What's that? 10 reddies, 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
Hasn't been long. If we were real hobos, we'd be having the night off and having fish fingers already, I reckon.
Yep. Just having a rebait. Whoa, losing me tackle. Tone's just got onto a half decent little filly there.
Probably a full sharker. Yeah.
Yeah.
Getting there.
Getting bigger as the day goes on.
Get a few of these big boys out of the shadows and out of this, from under this log, and get a few fish fingers about us.
Yeah, we might head to a little bit of a bigger hole soon, drift some worms down, see what happens. That's the last reddy of the waterfall, I reckon. And lost him. And Tony got him. That is the littlest reddy. Fingerling.
Yeah, that'd be a good aquarium one.
Yeah. You ready to spot one?
Few fish in the bag.
Let's make a move.
Hobo.
I don't think the track does go this way. Oh, maybe. Alright, we're at the spot 2 now. We're going to try drifting some bobbers, I reckon.
Yeah, still running similar setup, but we can put a bobber on top of that and float them down through this bit of current. That seems to be where the fish are.
Bigger water here, might be bigger fish. Let's get it on. Not much action at spot 2. Time to head off to spot 3, I reckon.
Oh, look, bro.
Oh, someone's raft.
Get that on the way back.
Yeah.
Still got air in it.
Bro. thing is a weapon.
I used to have one like that, eh? If it's still holding air, bro.
Oh, there's a whole another episode right here.
Yeah.
Taking him with. Put. Get the Condor 2000 back in the ute. Off to spot 3.
Mate, what a score. Good day out here. Fish at the first spot. Condor at the second spot.
What's going to happen at spot 3?
Who knows, mate? We're winning.
Let's get there. Spot 3 looks the goods, mate.
See what we can do.
Nice open pool.
A couple of perch hanging around in here somewhere.
Yeah, we might have to get up there to where we can hear those waterfalls.
Yeah.
A bit more trekking.
Yeah, remember? Yeah, there's that steep bit we've got to get up, but
Yep.
it's all good.
Kid you not, but I think we've seen another condor over here.
Yeah, no, the condors are out today. There's plenty of condors.
I'm going to have a look.
Condors on the tube.
See if we can catch it. Fucking no way. Two condors in one day. Tone, I caught a condor, bro. Take him back, see if he pumps up. Oh, I didn't go very far. I just hooked one, lost him, Tone. Yep.
Back out there.
Yep. I reckon he's got me worms too. Oh. Tone's just hooked a marron. It's all happening today. We got fucking redfin, condors, marrons. Crazy tangle in me line. Oh, no action here at spot 3, Tone. Might be time to call it.
I scale then.
Yeah.
You got a scaler?
Yeah.
And you just fucking like a heron.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
And,
can cook them up all the time, man.
Them, fuck yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
flat
they're
out.
all
Yeah.
right. Flour,
Yeah.
frying pan, but
Yeah.
what was it? Vinegar, onion,
Yeah.
Bailey, and you pickle them. Fucking beautiful.
Yeah. I'm Levi anyway, mate.
Robert.
Nice to meet you, Rob. You always meet characters out here, eh?
Characters everywhere. I was thinking the same thing. I was coming back towards you going, is he talking to someone?
Yeah.
They say the grass is always greener.
How's that? 2 condors.
Condors have been out today. Perch.
Bag of
condors.
reds. Rob.
Robs.
Let's get out there. There you have it. Hobo Handline with the bush rats.
Yeah, thought you guys would enjoy another little bonus episode before Christmas.
Yeah, everyone's got time off, so watch our YouTube vids, like and subscribe, all that.
Look, you don't need much to get out there. All you need is a stick and a bit of fishing line and away you go. So
Yep, a few worms. Worked out pretty well down that waterfall spot.
get out there and have a flick.
Yep, like and subscribe like we said, guys. Get these subs up. You want some merch, check out Bushcraft Cartel. I think we're pretty sold out at the moment, but we're going to restock for January.
Yeah, new designs, new flavours, new savours.
Yeah. Till next time,
All right.
take it easy. Yep.
Something mean and evil had a hold
Couple condors, mate.